Flu season is here. As a doctor, I'm telling you, don't wait until you're coughing to do something about it. So here are some immunity hacks to keep you strong. First hack, shower with eucalyptus. Hanging eucalyptus in your shower helps clear your sinuses and supports your respiratory system. It's like a mini spa. Second, and an ultimate hack, sip Hey Girl, Feel Better tea before bed. This tea from Amazon is loaded with vitamin C and lemongrass to support your immune system, which will help you bounce back really quick when your body starts to feel some infection. Then also snack on sunflower seeds. These little seeds are packed with vitamin E, which is great for strengthening your immune system 10 times more. And lastly, try walking barefoot on grass. Grounding yourself with nature helps reduce stress and inflammation, both of which play a big role in keeping your immune system strong.